Okay, we're going to title this little segment lakesparkrv.com. It's a campground. Crystal and I might stay here sometime. Always wanted to camp over here, but got a whippy Huey. How you doing? Do they allow camping here?
Pardon?
Do they allow camping here?
You mean like tent camping?
No, like, you know, in your motorhome.
Only if he's just seasonals now, I think.
Seasonal only?
I think.
Okay.
You'd have to go talk to Rob.
There's nobody in there, but that's cool.
He drives a black Chevy pickup truck.
Okay.
He's roaming around.
Around here somewhere? I think I'll ask him.
Yeah.
Thank you. Look, there's a nice Integra. Holy smokes. Nice cottage. Do not feed the alligators. That's a heck of a ficus there. This must be the manager. Howdy. Are you the manager?
Yes, sir.
He said, a guy told me you only do seasonals now, is that correct?
Right.
Well, I'm always looking for a place to go with my 40-foot motorhome, but I don't think a seasonal would work for me.
Well, we do daily.
Oh, you
We
do?
don't do anything more than seasonal.
Oh, okay.
Oh, got you.
Daily's awesome.
Yeah,
Daily, weekly, monthly.
that would be nice.
Does it say on the website? I took a picture of the window.
It does.
Okay, cool.
lakesparkrv.com.
I love it. Does that bridge go over to the park or no? It does?
Uh-huh.
That's too cool. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here and I got a 40-footer. I'll come up when they're not busy. What is
That's probably never, huh?
well, they got a few open sites right now.
April 1st. April 1st, and then pretty much up until December, but you know, it's January 1st, we're packed.
It's a beautiful place.
I bet you are.
What is it by the night?
It's 55 and 65.
Oh my gosh, that's cheap.
That is cheap.
Depending on where you're at.
Good price.
Part.
Good price.
Just get a reservation ahead of time, huh?
Oh, in a couple of days.
Cool.
After April, though, you can, April 1st.
We pass through here in April in our motorhome, so we'll be definitely here then.
I can give you a prime spot back there.
Cool. I love it.
Nice. Nice.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is a great park.
I'm
Thanks for
glad we
stopping by.
found it.
Yeah. Yeah, we were just biking Lakes Park, and I thought, well, let's check this out.
Yeah, he said, is
Absolutely.
that campers over there?
Yeah.
Very nice.
You too.
Myrtle Beach. Cool. Yeah, yeah. And that's not very expensive.
When we got to stay at what's her name?
I know, 50 bucks.
All over you.
Yeah, but did you see that bridge over there? That bridge goes right to the park. So you could go walking around the park if you wanted to walk. And you like walking?
Yeah. I like walking. I like skipping.
Let's go, Brandon. Look, he's got a Trump one sticker. I love that.
Yep, good for him.
I should take a picture of that. Okay, we're headed out. Sometimes it pays to be nosy. Look, they even got a laundry, hun. Laundry. Don't have to use the motorhomes unless you want to. I'm just peeking in here. Vending machine. Looks like lots of nice clean washers.
Check out this fence.
Yeah, the fence that ain't there. Yeah. Okay, I gotta end my video.